And touching on that, on the DEXA scan on Element for a moment, Jason, there might be the question asked, like, how did you sort of gather the level of accuracy comparable to a DEXA through basically scanning with your phone? Can you maybe explain that a little bit just for the listeners?
Yeah, it's a pretty involved process. It took us several years and millions of dollars of R&D to figure that out. And basically, we had thousands and thousands of volunteers do DEXA scans and take images of their body using their phone, all voluntarily, of course, participating in research. And we studied that data. We developed algorithms for detecting, different features of the body, and also applied machine learning and deep learning to this ground truth data set of thousands and thousands of scans. And eventually we're able to predict, essentially, it's an estimate of these values like body fat percentage and lean mass and fat and muscle distribution. So what's really interesting is you can have a really deep understanding of physiology and even of body composition. But if you're working in a lab and you only have a few dozen participants or maybe a few hundred participants, there's just not enough data there to be able to train algorithms and models that are robust enough to detect these features accurately for many people out in the real world. So that's why it took us several years and millions of dollars, because it was basically like figuring out how it all works, developing the algorithms, understanding the limitations of cameras and sensors and lighting and all of this type of stuff, while also building in a user experience that allows people to do it really easily on their own without having a professional need to oversee that scan, and then also making it accurate for a wide variety of people in a wide variety of conditions. So that's kind of a lot of the work that went into it. So we've been very excited about the result because, yeah, I mean, the accuracy and reliability is basically second to none.